Listen children, next question is simplification. Simplify we have to do and write in the exponential form. See the first question, 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 4 into 4 divided by 3 into 32. See the question, it's very easy. First of all, we have to convert into exponential form, whichever not given in the question. So we have to convert into the exponential form. So that is 4 and 32 we have to do the conversion. How we have to do the conversion? 4, 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4. 2 times are there. In the exponential form 2 to the power 2 we can write. In 32 like that you have to do the L division. Already I have shown in the previous worksheet 32 how we have to write in the exponential form. So that is 5 times will come. So 2 to the power 5 we can write instead of 32. And one more thing, these bases always should be a prime number. Okay. Now come to the question. After do the conversion, we have to arrange according to the bases. Here 2 bases are there and 3 base also is there. We have to collect. First of all, in the numerator, what are the bases 2? How many bases 2's are there? We have to arrange. Here 2 to the power and 2 to the power 2. The 2 bases are same. That we have to use the first law and we can write 2 to the power 3 plus 2. When bases are same, powers we can add. Next, in the numerator, remaining 3 to the power 4 is there, that we can write as it is. Next, even denominator also we can write same thing. Next, after done the addition, we will get 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 4 divided by 3 into 2 to the power 4. So 3 is a whole number, no power. That means we can consider as 3 to the power 1. Okay. Now we use the second law, we can do the simplify. In second law, in the division, bases are same, we can subtract the powers. See the term 2 to the power 5. In the denominator also 2 to the power 5 is there. That we can take to the subtract. So 5 minus 5, 2 to the power 0 will come. Already I have told you any base to the power 0, it will become 1. Okay. Next, come to the base 3. 3 to the power 4. This 3 whole number consider as a power 1. So 4 minus 1, 3 will come. So 1 into 3 to the power 3. Multiple 1 with multiplication now with a 1, the same answer only will come. So 3 to the power 3, that is the answer. Next question, 5 to the power 2, the whole to the power 3 into 5 to the power 4 divided by 5 to the power 7. So this one, use the third law, we have to multiply. Power to the power, we have to multiply. Then use the first law, we have to add the powers. Then use the second law, we have to subtract because bases are same. Okay. Next question, 25 to the power 4 divided by 5 to the power 3. This one 25 is not a prime number. So that one we have to convert into a exponential form. 25, 5 5s are 25. So 2 5 will come. The 5 squared we can write. Already power 4 also is there. How I have written like that you also have to follow when you are doing the homework questions. So 25 we can write 5 squared. Then 4 also is there in the power. So 5 to the power 2, the whole to the power 4 and divided by 5 to the power 3. Power to the power we have to multiply. Then use the second law, we have to subtract. Next question, 3 into 7 to the power 2 into 11 to the power 8 divided by 21 into 11 to the power 3. See the question, see the bases 3 and 7 and 11, that is prime numbers. See the denominator 21 and 11. So 21 we have to convert into a exponential or a prime number. Okay, so 21 how we can split? 3 into 7. 3 7s are 21 we can write. After we have written, we have to communicate with the base. See here 3 is there. In the numerator also is the denominator. And 7 also is there. And 11 also is there. So we have to use the second law and do the subtract the powers. We will get answer. See the next question. E question. 2 to the power 0 into 3 to the power 0 into 4 to the power 0. Already I have told you, any base to the power 0, it will become 1. So that I have done. So answer is 1. Next question, that is 4 to the power 5 into a to the power 8, b to the power 3 divided by 4 to the power 5 into a to the power 5 b squared. So this is a question. Already I have told you bases should be a prime number. So 4 is not a prime number. We have to convert prime number as it is exponential form also. So 4 we can write 2 square, then power to the power will come. Then we have to multiply that one. Next we have to use the second law. Then subtract the powers, we will get answer. And next one, 2 to the power 3 into 2 the whole to the power 2. So whole to the power 2. Outside the bracket in the power 2 is there. That 2 will be considered as a both a term. So I have written, see, 2 to the power the whole to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2. Like that we have to write the first step. Next, power to the power we have to multiply. Then use the first law, we have to add the powers, we will get answer. So this exponents chapter, it's very easy. So you have to thorough with the laws. Next, true or false. That one we have to justify our answer also. First one, 10 into 10 to the power 11 equal to 100 to the power 11. That is false. Why means 10 to the, here bases are same, so power we can add. So we will get 10 to the power 12. So opposite side, after the equal, 10 to the power, 100 to the power 11 is there. So that is not equal, that's why false. Next question, 2 to the power 3 greater than 5 to the power. That is also false. If you are expand and value, you will get 2 to the power 3 less than 5 to the power 2. So that is also false. Next, like that remaining questions also. Next, simplify 2 to the power the whole to 2 to the power 5 the whole to the power 2 into 7 to the power 3 divided by 8 to the power 3 into 7. See the question. First, in the numerator, first term power to the power is there, we have to multiply the powers. Then in the denominator 8 is there, 8 we have to convert into exponential form. That also power to the power will come, we have to multiply. Then use the second law, we have to subtract, we will get answer. Okay, like that. Next question also, 25 is there, 25 we have to convert into a exponential form. Even 10 also we have to convert. Then as per the law we have to do the procedure, we will get answer. Next, express each of the following as a product of prime factors only in exponential form. Here they have given the big number, 3-digit number they have given. We have to convert into a exponential form with the prime factors. First of all, we have to take 108. Do the L division. Already we have learnt 108 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. That is called prime factors. Next, 192 also we have to find out the prime factors. Then both the numbers we have to together and write. Afterwards we have to count here how many 2's are there, like that count and write, and 3 how many times are repeating, that also you have to count and write. That is the answer. Next question, single number only is there, double number they have given here 768. Same like that L division. In the L division we have to start with the small prime number. Small prime number is 2, so we have to start with the 2. Suppose that question is not an even number, we can't use 2. So next we have to try 3, 5, 7, like that we have to try. Then we have to write the prime factors. Then as per the numbers repeating we have to count and write. Answer you will get. Thank you children.